Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'll be teaching you in how to know your level in Monopoly Go. So first thing that you'll need to do is to open the Monopoly Go application on your device, and here at the top right hand corner of your screen you can see the three horizontal lines, so just click on it. And when you click on it, you would not be able to see an option where you can see your level on Monopoly Go. But we have an alternative way in order to know what is our level and what are the things that we need to do. So just click on this one right here at the top left hand corner of your screen. And here you can see the network upgrades. So this is basically the only option that we have in order to know our level in Monopoly Go. So when this one passes through the end of this line, it means that you can proceed to the next level or you can unlock a new AT. And as of the moment, that is the only choice that we have. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.